The states mentioned here are considered as the northern part of India, which is called as North India. These states reside in the down south of India, which vary in cultural and food cuisines. So today we are going to see the difference between the food cuisines of North India and South India. North India's major food base is wheat, which they use in their all food items. When it comes to South India, their major food base is rice and all their food items are based on rice varieties. Even though the oils are omnipresent, they are categorized based on the proportion it is used both in North India and South India. In South India, the coconut oil is used more in all their cooking items. Non-veg items are commonly used both in North India and South India, but when it comes to the seafood, North India uses less seafood due to its geographical restrictions, and South India uses more seafood since it is covered by the sea. Curries are thick, creamy and rich due to its usage with bread, roti and chapati, and these are the popular North Indian curries. South Indian curries are watery and extra spicy due to its usage with rice, and these are some popular South Indian curries. Tea, coffee, curd and buttermilk are commonly used drinks in North India, and tea is consumed more there. South consumes more coffee compared to tea, and curd and buttermilk are used less here. The sour ingredients in North India is dried mango powder, which they use in all their curry varieties. But South is quite opposite, it uses tamarind powder in all their curry varieties. Most of the spices used are common, but the proportion and the type it is mixed varies, and these are some popular spices. North India uses less to moderate spices in all their dishes. South Indian people need their food more hot and spicy, so they consume more spices. Due to its repeated invasions in North India, their foods are influenced by Mughal and Central Asia. South India has separate influence and evolved by own. North India has more popular chaat items compared to South India, and the pani puri is widely used across all over India and even in South India. Even though the dairy products are used common both in North India and South India, but North Indians consume more dairy products compared to South India. South India consumes more vegetables and leafy based items along with their dishes, and North India consumes paneer and aloo more compared to veggies. When it comes to desserts, both the sides are quite popular, and North India makes more milk-based desserts. These are some popular North Indian and South Indian desserts, and Kulfi is famous in North India, and Mysore Pak and Tirunelveli Halwa are famous in South India. Breakfast, lunch and dinner are based on these food varieties, and biryani is very famous in South India, and chapati is very famous in North India, and they consume more. So we hope at least you have got some info about North Indian and South Indian foods. So which one do you like and which one is healthier? Please do comment in the comment box.